Hi guys, Christina here. So today's video is going to be a review on this kit. This is the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit, and I'm sure you guys have seen this all over Instagram. So inside this kit, you'll have the LED light, which is this one, and the mouth guard, and then 3 HiSmile gels, which we'll use later. And it comes with an instruction card which says here's how it works and just basically shows you the steps and guide you through how to use this kit. And it also has some tips at the bottom. And then at the back, it comes with this tiny card with some pictures of teeth which are in different shades or color. So you can use this to see the before and after and just basically compare it to see the improvement from day 1 to day 6. It's numbered from 1 to 13. So currently, if you look at my teeth, so I would say I'm a 5. That's what I'm gonna put on day 1, and then after day 6, then we'll do another comparison and see if my teeth color improved to like a 3 or a 2, hopefully. We'll see. And I also received this day and night toothpaste. I really love their packaging. It looks really cute. It's like baby pink with like that smile thing over there. And this is what's inside. It has the day toothpaste and the night toothpaste. So these day and night toothpaste are great natural alternatives to your regular toothpaste, as they don't have any harmful chemicals. They don't have fluoride, SLS, and PEGs, and they're vegan and gluten-free, which are really good. And if you order them online, they'll be delivered to your doorstep, which is really convenient. Alright, that's that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and follow the steps here. It is my first day using this product. So step 1, I'm gonna brush my teeth. It says here gently clean teeth by brushing with toothpaste. So since I also got the day and night toothpaste, I'm gonna use the day toothpaste. So this toothpaste includes micro wax to prevent stains, prevents cavities with natural aloe vera, and it also has natural peppermint oil to freshen your breath. Step 2 is to take the battery out of the LED light, remove plastic, and reinsert battery, and then turn it on. And step 3 is to simply attach the mouth tray to the LED light. And then step 4, apply 1/4 syringe of whitening gel to the top and also the bottom of the mouth tray. And then you're ready to go. Then you set the timer to 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, the LED light will automatically turn off. So you can do whatever you want within that 10 minutes while I was just doing some selfie, Instagram, and dancing. And before you know it, 10 minutes is over and you can go ahead and rinse your mouth with warm water. And then I just rinsed the mouth tray with warm water and store it for the next day. Alright, so that was easy. And then tonight, I'm yet to use the night toothpaste. So before bedtime, I'll also film that. And I will be back with an update on day 6 or after day 6. Alright, that's it for now, and I'll be back later. So it's almost bedtime. I'm using the night toothpaste. This whitens with natural charcoal. It detoxifies and remineralizes with the bentonite clay. It also has natural peppermint oil to freshen breath. Alright, so that's how my teeth looks now, and I've also shown you guys the before footage. Now, before I started using this kit, I have rated my teeth as a 5 if I look at this chart. 6 days after, I rated it as a 3 because of the improvement that I've seen. And when I look at it, match it to my teeth or the color of my teeth, it really does look like a number 3. So yeah, it worked. And I think if you continue to use this product, you'll get even better results. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys!